everyone, I am Sai Chaitanya and welcome back to my channel Sai Techcore. In today's video I try to show you friends one of the trick how you can actually install the LED notification light in the Mi11X device. So as friends, in the Mi11X device you can actually install the LED notification light. So LED notification light you can set for the WhatsApp green color, Facebook blue color, while charging red color, and if the battery is full blue colors, you can change different settings by using this kind of one application, which is a very useful application friends. So try to watch till end of the video regarding the step-by-step procedure how you can actually activate and set this kind of notification. So make sure to comment below what are your thoughts, so in case if it's working or not. But in my device it's perfectly working all right, as you can see right now. So by using this application you can actually use different colors for different applications, and you can set the position as well. If you don't want in the middle, you can choose a different position. So let's try to explore what is the application and how to set as well. And in case if you're watching my channel for the first time, so make sure to subscribe to my channel friends Sai Techcore, and also don't forget to check the links in description for the playlist of the Mi11X device, so where I did upload more than 200 videos, as you can see here friends. So let's get started with the application name. So what is that? So application name is Notify Buddy. As you can see, this is the application which I'll be explaining you in this complete video. So this is the application which I'll try to go to the tutorial as well, step-by-step tutorial. So right now friends, I did try to uninstall and reinstall, so show you step-by-step process how to do that. So once you download this application, and in case if you want any kind of promo code, so make sure to join my Telegram group. So definitely I'll do my best to post the promo codes in my Telegram group for this application as well. So once you open the application, you need to give the permissions for 3 different things. So once let me try to show you what to do that. So first, for the notification permission, so once you click on the grant option, you need to enable the Notify Buddy by giving the permissions as well. So make sure to click this button. So once you read after everything, and if you are comfortable, you can click on the OK. So make sure to subscribe and stay tuned friends for this kind of unique different tips and tricks I'll be going to give you on this Mi11X device. So recently I did upload a video on 120 FPS gaming as well, so make sure to check that video. So try to give permission for the display or other apps as well. So we given the 2 permissions, and third permission is a battery optimization, is the Notify Buddy. Go to the save power and select no restrictions. So no restrictions means even when your phone screen is locked, if you get any kind of notification from the WhatsApp or Facebook, you will get the LED notification icon on the top. So that's why you need to give no restriction as a permission. So once you've done that, let's go to the next page. As you can see friends, as a sample you can see all the clear indications how it is. So you can select all the applications and you can select the color and profile what you want. So let's explore one by one. So let me try to show you if you want to set color to the WhatsApp. So let me try to scroll down. Here is a WhatsApp application. So try to enable for the WhatsApp, and once you enable, so try to pick the color, which color you want, green color or what color, and shape, LED shape as well friends, which color shape you want. This, but I think few of them are paid, but if you want the promo code, so make sure to join my Telegram group. You can get the promo codes over there. So once you're done, that's it friends, your WhatsApp notification will be getting, and as soon as you get any WhatsApp message, you will be seeing the green color indication on the lock screen. So that's another good advantage. In case if you want to change the position, so in the beginning the position will be in this corner, and if you want to change the position, I don't want to have this one, I want to have exactly in the middle. So let me try to go to the settings application, and it is a settings application, and here you can scroll down to the bottom, and you can find the option which says, I think, changing position. So let me try to see. So here is the option, position and the LED size, as you can see. So in the initially it will be here, and later on you can change wherever you want by using this joystick. As you can see friends, you can play around and you can have wherever the position you wanted for the LED notification light to have. As you can see, if you want to have under the front cam, you can do that. So and just click on the save, and if you want to increase the size of LED notification light, you can increase the LED notification light size. I know it's too big, but you can still do that if you want. If you wanted, as you can see friends, this is how it is. So in this way you can change the different colors. So let me just choose maybe 50 should be kind of fine, I guess, for me. So some of them, as I said, some of them are paid, some of them are free, so you can still try those. So by watching few ads you will get those options as well, and there's plenty of option friends. It will take I think more than 20 or 30 minutes to explain each and every feature in this application, because it's a long process. As you can see, there are so many options. So LED timer, you can set how much timer, and blink interval, how much blink interval you wanted, how many seconds, and the force enable in case if you're facing any kind of problems, you can enable this kind of option. So this option will be forcefully turning on the notify buddy in case if you don't get any kind of effects by using this app. Notify for the missed calls, DND mode, show charging indicator, downtime, double tap screen, unlock with a fingerprint, show individual pixels. As you can see, as I said, there's so much of options which are available right now to use here. So once you set everything, all the applications whatever you set as a notification, everything will be listed in this particular column, so which is called the activate. So from here you can access all the applications whatever you set as a notification. So in this way you'll be able to receive all the notifications, friends. So this is how it's gonna look if you want to select different kind of position. As you can see, different position if you get any kind of notification. So definitely it's a really cool notification. So even if you turn off the lights, you will be able to see that notification separate. So let me try to do that. The screen won't be on, only the LED notification will be on. As you can see here, friends, the screen is not on completely, only the LED notification light will be on, as you can see clearly. So if you think the battery it's draining a lot of battery, so make sure to comment below. But for me, I did not experience any of those issues in terms of the battery draining problems particularly. So make sure to comment below, friends, in case if you're facing any kind of issues. And definitely don't forget to join my Telegram group. There you can find the promo codes for this application in case if possible. I'll try to post as soon as possible. But these are the few things, friends, you can try and give it a go, and make sure to comment below what are your thoughts. So overall, friends, for me it's working successfully fine without any kind of issues. So there should not be any kind of problem even if you get any kind of notification messages, as you can see here. So thank you, friends, for watching this video, and see you in the next video, friends. Until then, stay tuned for more tips and tricks. Bye.